Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use EN-508 to perform effect test. The effect test can determine whether the lamp is connected normally, or check the channel sequence. Press menu to enter the menu. Find chip. Select DMX or other. Enter. Select channel. Press the left and right keys to select the corresponding channel number. Select Test Effect. Start the test. Use the left and right keys to switch the effect. The above is all about using EN-508 to perform effect test. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.